His Excellency.
Well, I visited my very dear brother, President Mahmood Abbas, to show our complete solidarity with the people of Palestine and the atrocities committed by Israel in Gaza for the last 1 year, genocide. We strongly condemn this barbaric act on the part of Israel, and I have come here to convey the feelings of the people of Pakistan, that their hearts beat with the hearts of our Palestinian brothers and sisters. This is in the last 1 year, 41,000 Palestinians have been martyred. Young boys, babies, girls, mothers, and fathers, brothers. Cities after cities have been razed to ground. Towns, villages, hospitals, schools, infrastructure. I think this kind of terrible act of barbarism hasn't been witnessed by mankind, not only in recent history, I think for ages. And time has come that we must all get together and in a united fashion we should demand two things: immediate ceasefire in Gaza, and creation of state of Palestine, without that, peace will not return in this part of the world. And if this situation is allowed to linger on for a period of time, then God forbid, things can become very, very tense around the globe.
What did you say about the response of the Muslim world?
I say one thing. Pakistan, since the very, very beginning, I mean before 1948 till now, their position is fully with the Palestinian people, and they help the Palestinian people as much as they can, in not only, for instance, students or helping or tents or no. In the international community, the position of Pakistan is the same, full support to Palestine.